PNI IP655B camera is designed to monitor an area as large as possible and be as mobile as possible due to the PTZ function and the 5x optical zoom. It can be controlled from mobile devices via CamHi or PNI smart home applications compatible with Android and iOS, and from PC via HiP2P software. If the camera detects motion, it will send the photo capture or video file with the alarm situation to an FTP server or send the capture to the user by email. The PNI IP655B camera is equipped with 6 infrared LEDs, which allows you to view at night. You can record images taken by the cam recorder on the microSD card that is installed inside the camera on a computer via the internet, provided it is turned on during recording, or on an NVR, provided it is installed at least one HDD set to read-write mode.